Excel. Removing password protection from your workbook. The process is very similar to when the password was created. The only difference between the two is this time you set the password to be 0 characters long. Yes, it's truly that simple. For this example, I've password protected this workbook. Now, once I open it, it's going to ask for a password. I'll simply input that, hit OK, boom. Now to remove this password protection, I go into File, Info, Protect this workbook, go to Encrypt with Password, and here's the current password. I'm going to change it to absolutely nothing, hit OK, and boom, now it's not password protected. So now if I close this, hit save, and I go to reopen it, you'll notice it doesn't ask for a password. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, ideas, or concerns, leave them in the comment section. And for future content like this, hit subscribe. As always, continue learning and have a nice day.